Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to cut through drywall the correct way. This is going to be the first video in my playlist for drywall videos, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out all the other videos I'll be putting out on drywall basics. So this is just going to cover how to correctly cut drywall, and we're just going to go through the tools you need, and then we're going to do a quick demonstration for you. So the tools we need, really, it's smart to get a drywall T-square, and then you're going to want to get a retractable utility knife. This one's made by Stanley, and you're going to want a brand new or very fresh blade on it, because you're going to be cutting on the finished side, so you want to make a very clean cut with a very sharp blade. So then, and then just a pair of gloves, because anytime you're working around utility knives, you should have a pair of gloves on. But I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy this T-square along with a retractable utility knife. And yeah, we'll get right into it. So you can see here we just have a small piece of scrap drywall. This is 5/8 drywall, and all we're going to be doing is putting the square up. So drywall T-squares are great because they allow you to make square cuts, and then you pretty much just put the square right up against the drywall, and then it's going to give you a nice square cut. But I always do recommend you take a tape measure and just measure the length, just to make sure your drywall's not out of square or whatever. This side's not out of square, and that'll ensure that your cut is good and you're not wasting any drywall. So the first thing we're going to do is take our utility knife with our fresh blade, and we're just going to score right along our T-square. And we'll just do it again. And the goal here is each time we're just going a little bit deeper. And we always cut on the finished side, because if you cut on the other side and then go to break it, you run a high chance of this finish ripping off or peeling, and then it just creates more work down the road when you're going to finish your drywall. So each pass you could kind of feel that it's going a little bit deeper, and then we could remove the T-square. And now, to finish the cut, we're just going to stand this up like so. And then you can see it's going to fold on us. So we'll just fold it, and then we're just going to cut the paper right along our mark. And you can see we have a nice clean cut. So that's going to minimize any work that we have to do later on when we're going to finish our drywall. Once you hang it and tape it and mud it, that's just going to alleviate some of the hassle on you. So yeah, guys, that's how you correctly cut through drywall. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. If this video helped you, you can check out all my other tool and DIY videos. And also, again, be sure to check the link in the description. I will put a link on where you can buy each of these. So yeah, guys, that pretty much does it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.